guys, Clyde here from New Social. I'm here with Tommy from Factory Entertainment. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah.
We're here, and there's some stuff that they presented at Comic-Con that Tommy's gonna help us go through. So where are we starting at right now?
Yeah, so these are our prop replicas, what we're coming out with in the near future. All of these items, if they're not available on our website now, they will be in the near future, and our website is factoryent.com.
Yep.
And just to give you a little bit of context, prop replicas are what we're pretty much known for, although we have a series of categories that we produce items for over a myriad of different pop culture brands. We've been around since 2011, so this is our 15th anniversary, and we're kind of celebrating that with reintroducing some items that we've been teasing before and coming out with some brand new items as well. So we can go ahead and start with The Mummy, the Book of the Dead.
That caught my eye immediately.
Oh yeah, it's a fantastic piece. It actually articulates. It has moving
I was going to say, does it turn?
Oh yeah, yeah. And each one of the hinges opens up. You can flip through the pages, and like with all of our replicas, it has a nice heft to it. So,
does it come with all these guys?
Yes,
with it?
yeah, with each one of the accessories.
All right.
And then to the left of that is the Death Becomes Her elixir vial. And that'll be, this is just a prototype, but it'll be made out of glass and metal. And we're hoping to include some lighting elements, but it's still too early to tell. And then to the left of that, we have some items from Star Trek, which is probably one of our bigger brands that we serve to our customers. So you'll see a series of different phasers. The cage phasers in particular, we just launched for pre-order on our website this past week, and it's been the demand has been phenomenal. So again, factoryent.com for that.
I love the communicator.
Oh yeah, that one's great. We haven't put that up quite yet. That is a brand new reveal.
Year? Oh, no. It comes out next year.
Physical release next year, maybe up for pre-order on our website before the end of the year. And it has a working screen, lights and sounds, and again, nice heft.
Are all of these that are coming out later just prototypes, and you guys are going to add on, or is it mix and match? Some of them are finished.
Yeah, so it's mix and match. So what's great is, what you see, a lot of these are actual production samples. Meaning that they're currently in production and they forwarded the pieces over to us to have on display. That said, there are some prototypes, like the elixir vial from Death Becomes Her is a prototype, and so is the Mummy book. But each of these are actual production samples.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So
these are the ones they actually use to build on the film sets.
Oh no. So what we do is just for clarification on that, the props themselves are typically one-off or a couple that they produce during the series or the run of the series. And so our job is to take the assets that are available. A lot of the times that'll come in the form of 3D files or asset photos or even set visits where we can document the piece and do actual digital scans of them. And then what we do is we make a more kind of like leapt off the screen type of in-universe feel product, which is a replica of those props. So for instance, the cage laser was probably made of several different components and put together in a very quick period of time, because in the prop department, the prop director usually gets like instructions from a director from a team that say, hey, I need this, and they only have so many hours to make it happen. And so as long as it stays put together in the scenes that they're using it for and doesn't fall apart, that's fine. They don't care after that because it did its purpose. Our job is to make it feel permanent, make it feel and smell and look like it all came from the screen. So metal components, actual LEDs, and so on. So, yeah.
That's awesome. You're bringing it to life.
That's our job. Yeah.
Okay.
Last year we introduced our 3 3/4 inch action figure line, and we started with Battlestar Galactica. This has been a phenomenal success for us, so much to the point to where we're going to cut sales off on our website on July 31st. And
July 31st. Okay.
The reason we're doing that is because we're coming out with the second wave of figures, which are directly below here. Yeah, we expected demand. We didn't expect as much demand. I mean, it's been one of our best-selling pieces ever. Yeah.
Are they still available for pre-order? Or are they sold out? Or
they're available for pre-order through the 31st, and then after that, we're cutting sales off completely. Yeah, because we're going to make room for that wave 2.
All right. Guys, make sure you get it.
Last year, we unveiled our 6-scale figures. It is another addition to our expanding categories that we're trying to serve. And we came out with our Rick O'Connell, the Mummy 6-scale figure, to a lot of excitement. This year, we've unveiled a series of other 6-scale figures like Lieutenant Starbuck from the newer iteration of Battlestar Galactica. I mean, not so relatively new, but relative to the classic series. And then below that are Jurassic Park 6-scale figures, which we're incredibly excited to unveil here at the show because they haven't really been served in the past.
So these were revealed
at the show this year. Okay. Yeah. So
Alan Grant's probably going to be huge.
I agree, and it's unfortunate with the timing.
Yes.
But we're thrilled to be able to.
You're honoring him.
Hopefully, we're doing our best. Yeah. And then below that, we have a series of Jaws 6-scale figures, and these have been previously announced. And then our Battlestar Galactica, Apollo, and Starbuck, and then the reveal at this show was Adama and the Cylon Centurion. And they come with a great series of accessories with each figure.
Okay, so they come with like either weapons or communication
all
devices?
sorts of different things. Like for instance, Jaws, you have different heads, different hats, different hands.
Oh wow! So there's more than just what we see.
Oh yeah. Okay. The Jaws barrel, the Chum bucket, which is one of my personal favorites, with Quint over there.
And obviously, if they scan the QR code or go on the website, they can see like what it comes with.
Exactly, and these are available for pre-order now on our website. Yeah.
Go pre-order.
All right, so this is our Star Trek: The Original Series bridge.
Oh my God! You built the inside with the characters.
Oh yeah, and there's a working video screen on the inside as well. And Malachi, the person who developed it, can show you some lights and sounds. Yeah, and you can see the working screen on the inside.
You got the working screen right there.
My favorite one, right? Yeah.
Oh, word.
So this is our Back to the Future range. So all of these prop replicas that are currently developed, except for the flux capacitor. Let me go ahead and turn that on for you. It has lights and sounds.
Ooh.
So as you can see, and then if you hit 88 miles an hour in your DeLorean, it has a time travel mode. So. So that one's currently on sale on our website at the moment, factoryant.com. There's a limited edition version and a Christopher Lloyd signature edition. And then above that is our time circuits. This is a product that's still in development. We're hoping to have it up for pre-order before the end of the year.
That's going to be super hot, the time circuit.
Yeah, thank you. We're really excited.
I mean, all three are.
Yeah.
But this one,
and what's great about it is you can actually you can program the dates
with the button,
and it has the lights and the sounds.
And you have the dates on there.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be default like that, but you can program your own. And then above that, we have our Mr. Fusion. And Mr. Fusion is great because when you open it up, it actually lights up as well. There's white LEDs on the inside. It has sounds, and there's fog that emits from it as well. It's powered. It's like water vapor.
Is it? Do you plug it in, or is it?
Yeah, USB-C. USB-C powered. So yeah, that's pretty much the excitement of all of our replicas and our figures that we have planned.
Okay, cool. All right, Tommy. Well, thank you so much for taking the time and showing all this. Go to the website, pre-order. The dates are online on when they're coming out. You can check out all the accessories. Thank you so much again.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, we'll catch you guys next time.